Hello everyone, this is the presentation of Team 29. Today our topic is mobile augmented reality applications and technologies. Firstly, we will give a brief introduction on the application fields of mobile AR. Secondly, we will going to focus on 3 application scenarios with some examples. Finally, we will give a conclusion of mobile AR with an outlook on research directions. Augmented reality is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information. The popularity and growth of AR technology on the mobile side has inspired the creative and practical applications in many areas, such as medicine, military affairs, video communication, entertainment, travel, navigation, education, and e-commerce. Next, we will mainly discuss 3 fields. First, let's talk about navigation.
AR technology can be applied in the field of navigation. Traditional navigation often displays the path on a map along with the user's current position, and this sometimes results in a bad user experience. However, by applying AR on navigation system, it can largely improve the user experience. There are 2 types of AR navigation application, which are pedestrian navigation and indoor navigation. Pedestrian navigation uses GPS for positioning and can generate AR navigation instructions. For example, Google announced Google Map AR mode in 2018. As you can see in the figure and the video, the virtual marker can show the direction clearly to the users. Another type is indoor navigation. It does not rely on the GPS. Instead, it uses technologies such as iBeacon and QR codes. By using these technologies, it can retrieve more precise location information and then show the AR information to the user.
With the increasing popularity and adoption of smart devices, AR in education is becoming more accessible and affordable. Instead of just reading books, AR offers a more interactive way by adding virtual objects to the real world, which could allow students to focus on the practice and improve academic achievements. Use of AR is not limited to a particular subject, age group, or education level. AR can be used for both preschool and higher education. For example, Human Anatomy Atlas is a medical education app that allows users explore the human body to understand how it works. When you open the camera and turn on the AR mode, the app would recognize the artwork and bring the anatomy out of the page. User can then rotate the structure or zoom in to see the details. Google Translate also supports AR features for convenience. User can instantly translate between languages in the real world without typing the words manually.
Augmented reality can also help e-commerce platforms to improve user satisfaction. One of the popular solutions is the product try-on function launched by a beauty brand called Sephora. Users can upload their own photos through the camera of their mobile devices, and then they will see how they look like if they actually use the makeup on their faces. Instead of the beauty retailers, the try-on feature on mobile is also provided for clothing. The application Wonderkicks works with companies such as Nike and Adidas to support a real-time try-on feature on sneakers for users. Retailers in furniture industry also use AR technology. For example, an application called IKEA Place provides users with true-to-scale 3D models of their furniture products.
In conclusion, AR technology has already changed our lives in medical, commerce, education, and entertainment areas. The usage of AR technology will also promote the development of hardware and software. Meanwhile, the improvement of hardware and software will also push AR technology forward. In the future, AR technology might get rid of the restriction of screen size of mobile phones, which will display a real and more colorful world to us. The interactive model design will also enable users to interact with what they can see. Until then, users will finally feel that they are in the world rather than look at the world. And that's all for our presentation. Thanks for listening.